Welcome to Programming ABC. Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to create simple frame using Python. Before creating this frame, these are the Python library: Tkinter, WXPython, PyQt and PyGTK. Most popular Python library is Tkinter. WXPython uses WX widget library, PyQt uses Qt library, and PyGTK uses GTK library. All are Python library. Most popular Python library is Tkinter. Now I will show how to create a simple frame using Python Tkinter. Command prompt, command pyt on Python. My Python 3.7.4 and my computer system 64-bit operating system. Let's start. Save as PROGRA.MING programming abc.py. Save as desktop. Now open this blank module or class programming abc.py. import import tkinter as tk. Import tkinter as tk. frame frame equal tk dot use capital letter T, then small letter tk first bracket frame frame dot main LWP main loop. Just 3-line code. Run, save, create Tkinter frame. Now I will show how to set title. Just 4 line. After 2 line, frame equal tk.tk frame frame dot title title welcome welcome to Python PROGRAMMING programming. Python programming. Now run. It contain this frame contain this title, welcome to program Python programming. Now I want to change frame size. Frame dot geometry double quote 800 white as white, then x capital letter, smaller letter, then height 500 double quote first bracket close, run again. Frame size large size frame. It's working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, and my next video I will show how to set icon this frame.